at the Heidelberg Pumps Sev series lineup. The Sev series consists of the Sev-50X and Sev-80X, with respective pump size of 2 inches, 50 millimeters, and 3 inches, 80 millimeters. The Sev series pumps boast the following specifications: high output with a net pump head of 82 feet, 25 meters, and a total self-priming suction lift of 26 feet, 8 meters. The Sev-50X has a maximum discharge rate of 163 USG per minute, 620 liters per minute, while the Sev-80X has a maximum discharge rate of 277 USG per minute, 1,050 liters per minute. Pumps are fitted with a forced air-cooled 4-cycle gasoline engine. The newly designed Cochin K180 is employed, rating at 179 cc's and boasting a maximum output of 5 HP. The engine structure allows for easy starting. Let's now check the Heidelberg Pumps Sev series lineup. You can choose from our flexible lineup that includes pumps fitted with or without an oil alert, a choice of spiral casing made from FC or aluminum, pumps with or without a cushion rubber, and pumps fitted with a kerosene engine. We plan to further enrich our lineup with more models in the future. Now, let's actually examine the total self-priming suction lift of the Heidelberg Pumps Sev series. The pump is set up around 26 feet, 8 meters, above the water tank below and lifts water up from the tank. Cochin's Sev series was able to powerfully lift water up from a height of around 26 feet, 8 meters. Total self-priming suction lift was approximately 26 feet, 8 meters, as per specifications. The Heidelberg Pumps Sev series also comes with full support